Good day, everyone. I am Micaela Bautista, and today I will be discussing the topic Teachers as Person of Good Moral Character. So, at the end of the lesson, the students should be able to define morality and good moral character in the context of the teaching profession, apply moral principles in resolving classroom ethical issues through real life classroom scenarios, and value the importance of moral integrity in the teaching profession. So let us begin by defining what is morality. Morality refers to the principles that guides people in distinguishing what is right from what is wrong. So it shapes human behavior through ethical and social standards and is influenced by culture, religion, beliefs, and reason. Morality helps individuals decide what is good, promote fairness and honesty, and above all, encourages responsible decision making. This is according to Gert and colleagues. So let us proceed to good moral character. So when we say good moral character, it means consistently acting in an ethical and responsible manner. So it involves honesty, integrity, and adherence to social standards. A person with good moral character, especially a teacher, avoids deceit, serious misconduct, and unethical behavior. In professional roles, specifically in teaching, a good moral character helps uphold trust and credibility. So, in the teaching profession, specifically, good moral character uh, is reflected through specific traits. This includes honesty, responsibility, reliability, trustworthiness, and self-discipline. And above all, being a good role model. So teachers are expected to demonstrate these qualities consistently because their behavior greatly influences and affects their students. So, why moral character is important in teaching? Moral character is important in teaching because it helps us build trust between teachers, students, parents, and the community as a whole. It also guides teachers in making ethical and professional decisions. So, and most importantly, teachers serve as a role model, and students often learn values by observing their teachers' actions and behaviors. So, professional standard and code of ethics. The Philippine Code of Ethics for Professional Teachers highlights the importance of moral character in teaching. Its preamble states that the teachers are licensed professionals who possesses dignity, reputation, and high moral values. Teachers are expected to strictly observe ethical principles, standards, and values in the practice of their profession as stated by the teacher's preamble. And now let us proceed to teacher as person of good moral character. Teachers' integrity and moral value directly affect the quality of teaching and learning. Teacher plays a central role in the learning process and significantly influences students' personalities and values. By modeling ethics, honesty, and tolerance, teachers help shape principled and respectful learners, as discussed by Lookman and colleagues. Teachers' personalities and moral character shape students' attitude and behaviors, often and most of the time indirectly. These influences is sometimes called the hidden curriculum, where students learn values beyond academic content. So teachers affect classrooms, interactions, teaching approaches, and students' moral growth in a subtle but powerful ways. Personality traits and moral values of teachers are relatively stable and enduring. These traits influence the flow of learning and directly affect students' achievement. Teachers who model wisdom, authority, and good character help enhance students' moral and personal development through example. So in conclusion, morality guides individual in making choices between what is right and what is wrong. Good moral, good moral character reflects honesty, fairness, and integrity. Teachers' ethical behavior directly influences students' learning and moral development. Through a strong character and positive personality, teachers model wisdom, respect, responsibility, and reliability through their students. As a result, students learn values and become responsible and well-rounded individuals. And these are the references used in my presentation. That is all. I hope you've learned something and thank you for listening.